Hey YouTube, the last pack of the week going in right now. The wind is down to nothing. Temperatures cooled down. DX7S, old school, 10 plus years old. Still working great. I've taken it apart several times, replaced some switches, replaced the roller, made my own light up LCD screen, replaced the antenna a time or two, and it just keeps on going. I got a killer deal on this transmitter a long time ago. There's a quadcopter or a drone made for cinema, you know, filming. You know what I'm saying. But the name of it is Freewing, maybe. And these are the big drones like that they were bigger back then because they had to carry a heavier camera. But this is the transmitter that came with that thing. And when I got the transmitter, obviously it looked much better. But instead of saying aileron right here, it had a little stickers that blended in perfect, and it would say pan or tilt and gimbal, and it had all the switches and stuff were for the cameras and stuff that was on the cinematography or cinematic or whatever drone, the Freewing. So me knowing what the DX7S is, and maybe some other people didn't, this thing was on eBay for, I think, for 40 bucks, and it came in the box with the manual and all that, and it hadn't been used all that much at all. It still had the battery pack set up for 4 AA's. I mean, it was in great condition. It looked really new. The silver was really shiny. All right, so windsock is as limp as can be, and that's the only thing we like, limp. So let's see if we can get some killer cornholes in, huh? Here comes the birds. Got a 5-minute 30-second timer. Timer only counts when the throttle's above 25%. Coming back towards us right there was coasting pretty much the whole way. So that doesn't count against the timer. And that's why you can get 8 minutes out of a 5-minute 30-second timer. So cornhole, cornhole, cornhole. All right, all right, all right. We're going to assume the cornhole position. Oh, it's assumed. Safe select is off. On the gasaroo. Sticks together. Oh, that was a great cornhole. Safe select. Haven't touched the throttle yet. Haven't touched the sticks yet. Now we are. Got up there high enough. Turned on safe. Let the plane figure out what it's going to do to be safe. And then we took control of it. We had enough time because it was high up. Cornhole, cornhole, cornhole. Okay, okay. Safe select is off. Nah, just kick the tail. Safe on. Missed the timing on that one. Cornhole, 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 cornhole. Safe is off. Sticks together. Nope. Still haven't touched anything, just letting it go. Safe is off. We'll let it go up, and then we'll just let it fall. Safe. Safe is on. There it goes. Got my orientation goofed up right there. I was trying to keep it looking better rather. All right, so up, inverted. There we go. Boy, I wish I could do that in a good circle where we could all see it. And I will do that once I practice some more. Up, over. Went the wrong way again. Cornhole, cornhole. Okay. Cornhole safe is off. Sticks together. Oh, that was a good one. When I gave it throttle, the motor made some noise that told me that it was probably freewheeling in the wrong direction or something. Still did it again. Almost lost it. Almost lost it right there. There we go. That was almost a straight maneuver. That was good. Almost a little better one too. Timer's beeping, seconds to go, 48 seconds, all right. Let's see, inverted. I got goofed up and turned on safe. Now timer's beeping, just ended. 5-minute 30-second timer's over. Slow roll with a quick finish. Do that again. Quick finish. 4-point roll. And no, it wasn't 4-point. That was just kind of slow. The points, you got to stop at each point, right? That's what makes it a point. Yes, that's what makes it a point. So that was a no-point roll. That was like a 5 or 6 point roll. Let's do the one thingamajig, and then we'll park it. Well, that wasn't anything. That was a whatever. That was a thingamajig. Cornhole, 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 cornhole. Nah, I kicked the rudder. Oh! Yep, now my battery's beeping. Ooh, almost lost it. Almost lost it. I think I'm gonna charge one more battery while I'm putting the pits up in the airplane mobile, because I know for a fact that I can charge one more battery in minutes. I've got my big 6S batteries. Ugh, storage charging. Get out of there. Ugh, wanted to tell you guys the voltage. I got 3.7. All is 15.2. So 378, 379, 379. And 386, so there were still plenty left.
If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying.